All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. I tell you what, if you like the video, do me a favor and like the video. Let's try to get our subscribers up to, I don't know, just a couple million or so. But anyway, here's where we're at here. We're in Ohio, beautiful county of Crawford County, Ohio. But you see here, 20 by 28, got a Buckeye, high state Buckeye theme. And I want to share a few details on this building and so forth. But you can see here, 20 by 28, 8-foot porch. Beautiful, beautiful color combination here. The white outside corners, the gray wainscot there, 3-foot wainscot, the red sidewall trim, grid windows, access door. And you can see here, 8-foot porch. And again, I think this is standard, but I tell you, sometimes you see some of these buildings that don't have that, but the liner panel underneath the ceiling, I think that's a must if you're gonna do a porch. But I see some that are open, and but I think that's a must if you wanna do that. And you know, you could get this in a variety of different colors, gray, pretty much any color. A lot of times you'll see white or off-white or tan, but you can get this in any color. But I wanna share with you here, wainscot, how we set this up. See how we set this sidewall steel. Again, this is a 40-year painted galvalume steel with a 40-year guarantee warranty. But we set this up just a little bit from the wainscot. And the reason why is, again, you want to let water evaporate and move. I've been doing obviously thousands of buildings. There's been a few that the water will settle here, and then the rust will right be there on that sidewall panel steel. So you want to let that water move a little bit. But let's go in here. This gentleman, you're going to see here on the inside of the building, R25 insulation up there on the ceiling. See, we did a finished ceiling here, and he's going to come back here. Obviously, he's got some grade. He's going to finish this grade, but concrete, he's going to put the concrete down. But we did R25 on the ceiling there. And on this building here, a post foundation, you know, in Ohio it's 42 inches. That's the where the depth, the frost lines. We went down 48 inches, and what we do, we put this on a concrete cookie. Okay, we dig down 48 inches, 4 feet, put the posts on a concrete cookie. We don't backfill it with dirt. We backfill it with this stone. We call it a 411 stone. So what it is, it's kind of like a highway stone. It's got a, as you can see here, it's got a sandy mix. And again, what that does, it lets water again move through it instead of holding the water. You don't want water to, you know, clog on your post. So you definitely want to backfill with stone and not dirt. Dirt, water will stick and it can't move. And if you want a rotten post, you want a higher likelihood, backfill it with dirt. You can see what we did. We obviously brought this up a little bit with a couple 2x10 baseboards where needed here. And you see on that side there, just one. So 20 by 28 building, sharp looking building, high state theme. Just a couple tips there for you. I don't want to share with you too much, spoil you guys too much, and you won't be watching anymore. But if you like the video, drop us a like here and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out obviously more content and so forth. And we're gonna actually have a surprise for you. We're gonna have somebody really, really intelligent and really get really technical with you and up the quality of the video. So you don't want to miss this, because if you miss this video or miss this channel, then you may not get back to it. So you definitely want to subscribe to this channel, and we're gonna have one of the smartest guys in the business with some high quality video production. So 20 by 28 right here in Ohio. AtticaLumber.com. Attica Lumber since 1920.